The iPhone 17 Pro's physical SIM tray has supposedly appeared in freshly leaked images. Previously, speculation suggested the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max would abandon the traditional SIM card slot entirely on a global level. Yet today, a new claim surfaces that challenges this narrative. A leaker on X uploaded photographs that allegedly show the SIM tray of the iPhone 17 Pro. This indicates the Pro and Pro Max models will still feature a real slot, at least in select markets. That said, this remains unconfirmed as we cannot independently verify that what we're seeing is indeed the iPhone 17 Pro SIM housing. Therefore, as usual, treat this information cautiously. The iPhone 17 Pro is also tipped to launch with 256 GB base storage and redesigned antennas for stronger and more reliable connectivity. Its long-rumored reshaped camera island has also been confirmed by a well-known case manufacturer. In addition, the iPhone 17 Pro Max's internal structure with a metallic battery covering has allegedly surfaced. Claimed photos showcasing the iPhone 17 Pro Max's internal layout have leaked, offering an early look inside the device ahead of Apple's formal unveiling next month. The pictures were shared by the U122 account this week via a post on Korean site Naver. This account frequently compiles Apple-related leaks, so it's unlikely they're the direct origin of these images. In any case, it's doubtful that the pictures reflect genuine CAD blueprints from Apple, but they may still present a credible preview of what is rumored. According to the leak, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will house a metal-covered battery as speculated previously. Supposedly, two variants of the battery exist, with the L-shaped unit shown destined for iPhone 17 Pro models retaining a SIM card slot. Meanwhile, a more rectangular cell is expected in versions without a physical tray, such as those destined for the US. The metallic shield aids in dispersing heat generated by the battery. Apple already employs a metal battery covering in the iPhone 16 Pro, while the iPhone 16, 16 Plus, and 16 Pro Max still feature black foil wrappings. The cells inside the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus rely on adhesive that can be loosened through a low-voltage current from a 9V battery or another source. Another source, known as MagSafe, suggests the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max batteries will be removable in the same fashion. The images also reveal the iPhone 17 Pro Max with a noticeably larger camera bump than earlier generations, aligning with long-running speculation. You can also spot the alignment of the MagSafe ring and charging port. Overall, the pictures don't reveal much beyond what is already circulated, but they do help reinforce existing expectations. Apple is projected to unveil the iPhone 17 lineup in less than a month. The iPhone 17 Air, meanwhile, is among the additional models likely to debut during Apple's rumored September launch event. The iPhone 17 Air could emerge as the company's most compelling release in years. I've been closely following every leak and whisper. While major changes before the official reveal seem improbable, Apple still has opportunities to make the Air an attractive slimline handset. I recognize there could be trade-offs, but I'll explain how the iPhone 17 Air might succeed where Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge faltered. Here's my breakdown. As a photography enthusiast, I'm especially focused on the cameras tipped for the iPhone 17 Air, or should I say, camera. While I overlooked Apple's move to give the iPhone 16e a single rear shooter, applying that approach to the iPhone 17 Air feels questionable. Current leaks suggest it will feature a single 48MP rear sensor, which feels underwhelming when compared to a triple lens array. In this respect, I might concede that the S25 Edge is superior to the iPhone 17 Air, though Apple could still surprise us. Regardless, the iPhone 17 Air is shaping up to be an impressive engineering achievement for a modern device. Rumors indicate it may be slimmer than Samsung's S25 Edge, possibly as thin as 5.5 millimeters compared to the Edge's 5.8 millimeters. As I noted in my S25 Edge review, the key sacrifice with such slim designs is battery longevity. A thinner frame restricts internal space for the battery, resulting in shorter runtimes. However, Apple may offset such shortcomings through iOS 26 optimizations. Ideally, the iPhone 17 Air will retain the $899 price tag of the current iPhone 16 Plus. Yet, given the cost of the S25 Edge and Galaxy Z Fold 7, I remain skeptical. Some reports even suggest the iPhone 17 Air could cost more than the iPhone 17 Pro Max. If that's accurate, the device would struggle to justify itself, even for me. A more realistic scenario would see Apple position the Air between the 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max at around $1,099. Assuming Apple sticks to previous pricing patterns, that places it in direct rivalry with the S25 Edge, though such a figure wouldn't necessarily be prohibitive. Even as someone who values great affordable phones, I expect the iPhone 17 Air to benefit from heavy carrier promotions at launch to reduce its upfront price. This strategy has been routine with nearly every major Apple release. For instance, the iPhone 16 Pro Max dropped in price less than a month after its debut through bundled deals. While these offers require signing up to a carrier plan, the result is acquiring a flagship iPhone at a cut rate. A similar